Damn, they hot as a motherfucker out here. Man, what's up, auntie? How you doing? Oh shit, boy, that nigga tripping this a bitch. Oh, boy, you done caught today, boy. Hey, boy, you got man, 20 window open, man. Fuck. How to jump in that bitch? Boy, this man that tripping, hold up. You nigga have what the fuck? Boy, what the fuck? Boy, what the fuck that is, boy? Nigga, man, I can't be watching that, man. Oh, man, damn. You got 3 iPhones, but hold on, but that's a PlayStation. You can have this motherfucker though. Man, what the fuck I'm gonna do with this, man? I don't play with. Come on, twin, bro. We not finna do hell no, man. No, I can't. Bro, you got me fucked up, but we ain't just coming this bitch for nothing. But hell no, man. Let me get the money or something. But I'm finna go for round 2. But hold on. Alright, but hey, bro. Damn, they leave my keys in the car. Oh. Why the fuck you gonna go back in there, man? It's open, nigga. It's 828. That's how I go. You gonna leave me? You know, you can get my shit, bro.